here's the different part. Here is the removable grate. And the ash basin. So shiny. So shiny. Nice finger holes there. Beautiful. And there you have it. What a great improvement. All right, onto the fire. So I've got my solo stove ready to light. The new 2.0. You can see the removable pan down there and the removable grate. Just have to take a minute to look at it and remember it. As much as I love patina, they sure are beautiful when they're new, aren't they? So as you can see, we've got a pretty good secondary burn going. Beautiful fire. Alright, well, I'm going to enjoy the rest of the evening in this beautiful fire, and we'll revisit this when it's time to empty the ashes. Well, it's the Monday after Father's Day, and after a wonderful evening, my solo fire pit, it's time to do an empty. This is the version 2.0, so it should be easier. I've gathered a few tools. Dump bucket, ash bucket, a brush, and pan. So we're going to give this a try. And I've never done this before, so it's going to be interesting. I'm going to start by brushing as much of the ash as I can towards the center